My name is Karen, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to tie a small square scarf exactly like this in several different and creative ways. So if you have a scarf about this size, mine here is 20 inches by 20 inches, and you have no idea what to do with this, stay here with me because I am going to teach you. And if you still don't own an 100% silk scarf, I am going to tell you where to get a scarf exactly like this for less than $15. So stay here with me. I am going to tell you about a place where you can get very affordable silk scarves which are made of 100% silk for a very affordable price. I got this one here that you can see with all these beautiful gradient colors at Shein.com. So you just go to their website and in the search engine you type 100% silk scarf bandana. After doing that, you just go to the side and you're going to select material, and under material look for silk. Click on silk, and then you're going to see several different scarves, all like this, made of 100% silk, between the range of $5 and $15. Most of them are about this size here. This scarf here is 20 inches by 20 inches, and I paid $12.99 for this one here, but they have several other different styles. I just tell you to go fast in case you want to buy one because it really sells quick, but they're always adding different styles and prints. So if you thought that 100% silk scarf was something really expensive, I'm telling you, it's not. You just need to know where to look for it. All the silk scarves that you see in this video were bought at Shein.com, and they're always getting sold out of styles, but also adding different prints and styles. So take a look at their website in case you see something here you like, and even if they don't have it, I'm sure you're gonna find something else there. After I discovered that I can own 100% silk scarves for a very affordable price, I started to think about creative ways to tie them. So in today's video, that's what we're gonna do. The first one is gonna be a hair tiara. I am going to take this scarf here and transform it into a hair tiara for me. The first thing we're going to do is to fold this square scarf in a triangle shape exactly like this. Then we're going to fold it a second time like that and a third time. After doing that, we're going to make a knot right in the middle, exactly like this. After tying the scarf into a knot exactly like this, we just need to put it over our head. And then we make a little knot on the back. And here we have it. Another great idea with exactly the same knot is, instead of putting it on our head, is to wear it as a necklace. I'm going to show you how. First of all, let me remove my necklace here so that they don't fight together. And now we just take it here and we make a tiny little knot on the back of it. And we're going to see that we're going to have a necklace instead, like a little choker. I think it looks adorable like this. I like to wear it this way too. Another great idea with this tiny little scarf is to attach it to a handbag handle. I think it's a very creative and different way to use our scarves. This here is a very simple, quick and easy way to tie our little silk scarves too. We are going to fold our scarf into a triangle exactly like this, and then we are going to fold it again 2 more times so that it looks exactly like this one here. Now we are just going to put our scarf around our neck exactly like this. Now we are going to take one side of the scarf and give it a little loose knot. We're going to take the other side here and just fold it like this and attach this to the inside of our knot here. And here we have it. Now I am going to use this scarf here as a hair tie. So first of all, we're going to make a triangle with our scarf. Then we are going to fold it once and fold it a second time, exactly like this. Then we are going to use a scarf buckle. I got this scarf buckle at Shein and it's very affordable. I'm going to leave the link of this one here down on the video. But you can buy different styles. They have it in silver too, very different styles, and it's very affordable. So we are going to take this, and we're going to take one edge of the scarf here, and we're going to pass through both holes. And then we're going to do exactly the same thing with the other edge here. So we are going to put it here in one side first, and then on the other side. Exactly like that. And there's gonna be a hole here in the middle that is where we are gonna pass our hair. So I will show you how it looks. So here I have our little scarf that we have just folded, and there is room here to put over my hair. So I just need a little hair band that I'm gonna tie in a ponytail and put it over it. So here we have our little ponytail. And in case you do not want to buy this little scarf buckle right here, we can just do a very simple knot as a ponytail with our scarf, no problem at all. Now we are gonna fold our scarf into a little triangle, then fold it one more time, and then fold it a third and fourth time. Now we are going to put our scarf around our neck exactly like this. Now we are going to take one side of the scarf, put it over the other side. We're going to turn it, pick it up on the top, and then we're going to take that little edge here and put it inside it, and take the other one and do exactly the same thing, passing it through the inside. Then we just need to pull both together and fix it a little bit so that it has a better shape. We are going to fold this scarf here 3 times. We are going to fold this scarf again in half. Then put it around our neck. take one of the edges and put through the loop, as you can see here. Then we're gonna tie both edges together in a tiny little knot. Now we are going to fold our scarf in a triangle again, and we are going to use a little rubber band. After folding it into a triangle, we are going to take one of the edges and start folding it into a fan shape so that we can make a little rose on the side of our next scarf style. And now we are going to use our little hair tie to tie everything together. After doing that, we are going to take our triangle with the fan on the edge, and we are going to put it around our neck and take one of the edges and put it inside the rubber band right here. And now we are just gonna pull it a little bit and adjust it. Now we are gonna fold it into a triangle and then fold it one more time. And then we are gonna put it around our neck. And now we are going to use our scarf buckle one more time. First of all, we are going to take one side of the scarf and we are going to loop it through the scarf buckle exactly like that and pull it a little bit. And then we are going to take the other side and do exactly the same way. We are going to pull it through one side of the scarf buckle, pull it a little bit, and then the other. And then just adjust everything together so that it looks neat. If you do not want to use a scarf buckle, there's another alternative. You can just take this little scarf, make a little knot on the edge here, and then put it over your neck. And that's gonna give us a very similar look to the scarf buckle without the need to use it at all. We are going to start folding our scarf twice again. Now we are going to put it around our neck and we are going to start twisting our scarf exactly like I'm doing here, because the goal is to make a little rose on the side. So we're going to keep twisting it. And now we're going to turn it and put a little bit of the edge inside the middle, leaving two edges behind, exactly like that. This tie here is very simple and very easy and quick to make. We just fold it into a triangle and then we put it around our neck and make a little tie on the back of it. After folding it into a little triangle, we are going to fold it twice. Now we are going to put it around our neck. We're going to put one edge over the other, cross then one more time and pull it a little bit. And then we're going to take one of the edges and pull it over and take the little edge and pull it in the knot. And do the same thing with the other side. Put it over and then inside and then pull both edges together. Now we're going to take one of the edges and start folding like a little fan, exactly like I'm doing here. Then we are going to take a little hair tie and tie it around the little fan edge here. Now we're going to take our triangle with the little fan on the edge, put it around our neck, and take this edge here and put it inside the hair tie. Exactly like that, and pull it a little bit. Then we're going to turn it, take the other edge and pull it down a little bit. And then we just need to adjust it around our neck. After folding it into a triangle, we are going to fold it twice. Now we are going to put it around our neck. We're going to take one edge and twist it to the back and do the same thing with the other and tie both of them together on the back. Another very similar way to do this scarf tie is to put it around our neck, but this time instead we're going to use a scarf buckle. We're going to take this buckle here, take one of the edges of the scarf and loop it through the scarf buckle, exactly like this, and then do exactly the same thing with the other side. We're going to loop it through the scarf buckle and then we're going to pull both sides together and tie it on the back. Just in case you do not want to use a scarf buckle, you can use any ring you have for this tie too. So we just take any thin ring you have in your home, we put one edge of the scarf through it, and then do exactly the same thing with the other edge of the scarf. Pull them together and then tie them on the back of your neck. If you stayed with me until the end of this video and was able to learn a different and creative way to tie your scarf, please give me your like and leave me a comment here below. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!